Are you ready to witness the future of smartphones? Welcome to our deep dive on the all-new Galaxy S25 Edge by Samsung. In this video, we'll uncover how Samsung is completely redefining smartphone design. With an ultra-slim body, next-gen display, a powerhouse AI camera, and the blazing fast Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor. But the Galaxy S25 Edge isn't just about being thin. It's about pushing boundaries, delivering jaw-dropping performance, breathtaking visuals, and eco-friendly innovation, all wrapped up in one sleek, elegant package. If you're passionate about cutting-edge tech and want to stay ahead of the curve with Samsung's latest breakthroughs, make sure to subscribe and smash that notification bell. 1. Ultra-slim design. The Galaxy S25 Edge pushes the boundaries of smartphone design with its ultra-slim profile and sleek edge display. Samsung has taken minimalism to the next level, crafting a device that feels almost weightless, yet incredibly premium. The curved edges blend smoothly into the metal frame, giving the phone a futuristic look that's both elegant and modern. Even with its thinner body, the S25 Edge doesn't sacrifice build quality. It features a durable armor aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass Victus 3, making it strong enough for daily use without adding bulk. The result is a phone that feels refined and solid in hand, yet light enough for effortless one-handed use. Samsung has also managed to reduce the camera bump, creating a smoother, more balanced rear design. This contributes to the overall thinness and sleekness of the phone. Despite the compact size, internal components, like the battery and cooling system, have been optimized to maintain high performance and long usage. The Galaxy S25 Edge isn't just slim. It's smartly engineered to combine form and function in a way that few smartphones can. It's a bold step forward in design, appealing to users who value both innovation and elegance. 2. Next-gen display. The Galaxy S25 Edge takes visual brilliance to new heights with its next-generation dynamic AMOLED 2X display. Measuring 6.9 inches, the screen offers an immersive edge-to-edge experience with ultra-slim bezels and stunning clarity. Samsung has enhanced brightness levels, up to an impressive 2000 nits, making the screen easy to view even in direct sunlight. The display supports a variable refresh rate, up to 144 Hz, ensuring ultra-smooth scrolling, gaming, and video playback. With a QHD+ resolution, every detail is crisp. Whether you're watching HDR content, editing photos, or simply browsing the web, colors are more vibrant and accurate thanks to improved HDR10+ support and a wider color gamut. One of the standout features is the upgraded Vision Booster technology, which adjusts brightness and contrast based on ambient lighting conditions. This ensures optimal visibility and comfort, whether you're indoors or outdoors. The under-display camera is now more hidden, preserving the clean look of the screen without compromising selfie quality. Samsung has once again proven its leadership in display innovation. The Galaxy S25 Edge delivers a viewing experience that feels futuristic, fluid, and flawless, perfect for users who demand excellence in every pixel. 3. AI camera upgrade. The Galaxy S25 Edge introduces a major leap in smartphone photography with its AI-powered 200-megapixel pro-grade camera sensor. This advanced sensor captures incredibly detailed images, allowing users to zoom and crop without losing clarity. Samsung's improved image processing algorithms enhance color accuracy, dynamic range, and low-light performance, making every photo look stunning. One of the key highlights is the integration of night vision AI. This feature intelligently combines multiple exposures and uses deep learning to brighten dark scenes while preserving natural colors and reducing noise. Whether you're capturing cityscapes at night or dimly lit indoor moments, the camera delivers sharp, vibrant results. Additionally, the S25 Edge offers smarter scene recognition, automatically adjusting settings to suit the environment. It can detect landscapes, portraits, food, and more, optimizing exposure, contrast, and saturation for the best possible shot. The camera also supports 8K video recording with enhanced stabilization, allowing smooth and professional quality footage. With improved AI features, the Galaxy S25 Edge camera adapts to your style, making advanced photography accessible to everyone. It's not just about megapixels. It's about intelligent imaging that pushes creativity and quality beyond limits. 4. Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. The Galaxy S25 Edge is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, delivering a significant boost in speed, efficiency, and overall performance. Built on an advanced 4-nanometer process, this chipset offers faster processing speeds while consuming less power, allowing for longer battery life and smoother multitasking. With improved AI capabilities, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 enhances everything from photography to gaming. It supports advanced graphics rendering, enabling rich visuals and higher frame rates in the most demanding mobile games. This makes the S25 Edge an ideal device for gamers and power users who demand top-tier performance. That wraps up our look at the Galaxy S25 Edge Beyond Slim, Samsung. With its sleek design, powerful features, and eco-friendly build, Samsung is clearly pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can be. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the latest innovations, the S25 Edge promises an exciting future. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the hottest gadgets.